welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today to be showing you the aloe vera pre-poo that I like to do on my hair before I begin my wash day routine. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to get a aloe vera leaf. That way you can do this pre-poo. So I like to cut the sides of the aloe vera leaf and also the tail and the base of it as well. And then from there, I cut it into pieces. That way I'm able to scoop out the gel from each piece. And depending on the width and the size that you cut the pieces in, you'll end up with about maybe 6 to 8 different pieces of the aloe vera leaf plant. So you can use a spoon to scoop out the gel. I used a knife. I don't recommend using a knife just because it's so slippery. It makes a mess. So it might be easier to use a spoon, and it might be safer to use a spoon as well. But I just go ahead and get out that gel and then place it to the side. That way it's easy for me to access to put it into the blender later on. So just to go over some benefits of aloe vera gel, it does alleviate itching and dry scalp. Also calms down inflammation. So if you have like a scalp that's been inflamed, it's red, it's bothered, this will help to soothe your scalp. It also reduces dandruff, and of course it also promotes hair growth. So that's why I love this treatment. It's something in aloe vera that just really helps and aids with growing your hair. So that's why I love using aloe vera juice, gel, powder. I just love putting it in a lot of my products. Next, what we want to do is go ahead and use my growth oil. This oil has fenugreek oil, castor oil, a bunch of different oils that really helps in just making the hair grow and healthy and shiny, which is what this pre-poo helps with as well. So I put those pieces into the blender along with some oil, and then from here I'm going to just blend it all together. Blended that aloe vera gel and oil, what I do is apply the mixture straight to my hair, and I focus it more so on my roots and my scalp. That way it can soothe my scalp as well as remove any buildup I may have, and just to provide more condition and moisture to my scalp and my hair and the roots. I work that onto my hair, and then I go ahead and get a plastic cap after I apply it throughout my hair. That way I can leave this treatment on my hair for a good hour or 2 or 3. It depends on what I'm doing for the day. And then what I do next is put a towel on my hair. That way it can soak up that aloe vera. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video today, and I hope you try this pre-poo. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that God loves you, and so do I, and you're so beautiful the way that you are. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.